Norway issues wanted notice for man connected to exploding pagers in Lebanon. Associated Press. Norway issued an international wanted notice on Thursday for a man linked to a Bulgaria-based company. Why that may have been involved in the dissemination of exploding electronic devices to the militant Hezbollah group that bleeped dozens and wounded thousands in Lebanon last week. The notice is part of a multi-country investigation trying to piece together how thousands of pagers and walkie-talkies were rigged to explode and their trail to Lebanon. Hezbollah and the Lebanese government have blamed. Below are your comments. They have issued arrest warrant to every police agency in the world, but didn't provide neither the name nor any description of the wanted person. According to investigative reporter would have included such info if it was available on such world-wide basis. Good luck catching this guy. Norway issued an international wanted notice on Thursday for a man. The agency declined to name the man or provide his nationality. In what parallel universe does that make sense? So Norway is trying to catch someone who helped eliminate and identify terrorists. This is the new West, folks. Our governments are the real enemy. Norway needs to worry about the mess their country is becoming because of their recent immigration decisions and not an attack on a terrorist group firing missiles and rockets into another country. Have they issued arrest warrants for all of Hamas, Hezbollah and Houthi leaders and those that support them like Iran? I understand the concerns here about the fact that many innocents, including children, were injured by these exploding devices, but the targets were terrorists. But there's no way to calculate how many innocent people are saved every time a terrorist bites the dust, is there? Please subscribe to my channel. And if you like it, please thumbs up.